Hello everyone, my name is Athar Chauhan and today I will be talking about a very important topic in educational data analytics, handling missing values in student feedback data. In simple words, we are going to understand why feedback is sometimes incomplete and how we can deal with it effectively. Why missing data matters. Whenever students fill feedback forms, they don't always answer all the questions. Sometimes the system fails, sometimes students skip questions, or sometimes surveys are just too long or confusing. But the problem is, these missing values can seriously affect our analysis. They reduce the accuracy of our results, create bias, and may even lead to wrong decisions by the institution. So, handling missing data isn't optional, it's essential. Common causes of this missing data. There are many reasons why data goes missing. Like students skip questions they find sensitive or difficult, system errors while submitting responses, poorly designed survey interfaces, and of course, survey fatigue, where students get tired of long questions. Understanding these causes help us choose the right method to fix the missing data. Now, the approaches to handle the missing data. To deal with missing values, we mainly use five approaches: ignoring tuples, removing incomplete rows, manual filling by experts, statistical imputation using mean, median, or mode, class specific methods where students are grouped and imputed within their group, predictive models which estimate missing values using algorithms. Let's look at each one in an easy way. Number one, ignoring tuples. This method simply removes any record that contains missing values. It works well when the amount of missing data is very small, less than 5%, and when the missingness is completely random. But the problem is you lose valuable information, and if the data isn't missing randomly, this method can create serious bias. Manual filling. Here, experts like faculty members or administrators manually guess or estimate the missing values based on their knowledge of students or the course. This works well for small data sets, high importance decisions, situations where context matters a lot. But it is extremely time consuming and human judgment can introduce personal bias. Statistical imputation. This method fills missing values using simple statistical technique. Mean for numerical ratings, median when data is skewed, mode for categorical feedback. These methods are fast and easy, however, they reduce the natural variability in the data and make the data set look more perfect than it actually is. Method 4, class specific imputation. In this method, instead of using a single global value, we divide students into meaningful groups like sections, performance, levels, or demographics. Within each group, we calculate mean or median and fill missing values accordingly. This approach preserves natural patterns and is more accurate because it reflects differences between groups. Method 5, predictive models. This is most advanced method. Here we use algorithm like regression model, k nearest neighbors, decision trees, and EM algorithm. These models can learn relationship between variables and predict the most likely value for the missing entry. They are powerful and accurate, but also more complex and require a good computational resources. Now, comparing the methods, each method has its strengths and weaknesses. Simple methods are easier but less accurate. Complex methods give better results but requires expertise and computation. So the best method depends on the percentage of missing data, why the data is missing, the size of the data set, and the level of accuracy you need. There is no one size fits all solution. Now, to conclude, missing data must be handled carefully because it directly affects the quality of insight. And we should always understand why values are missing before choosing a method. And finally, always document your approach. This builds trust and makes the analysis reproducible. Properly handling missing data is not just a technical step, it is essential for producing unbiased, and meaningful results that benefit both student and educators. I hope you like it. Thanks for watching.